Letter Q. Finally, let's learn the letter Q. Q as in queen. Q for queen. Her crown so neat, and the quilt warms her feet. Read aloud. Quail, quilt, quiver. Trace the letter Q. Find the things that begin with the sound Q. Letter R. Here comes the letter R. R as in rose. R for rabbit, snowy white, and for rain, falling at night. Read the words. Rabbit, rain, rocket. Trace the letter R slowly. Find the pictures that begin with the sound R. Letter S. Next is the letter S. S as in ship. S for sun, shining bright, and the sand, golden and light. Read the words. Snail, sun, seal. Trace the letter S. Find the pictures that begin with the sound S. Letter T. Let's learn the letter T. T as in table. T for train, goes so far, and the tree, where we are. Read the words. Top, 10, tap. Trace the letter T carefully. Find the pictures that begin with the sound T. Letter U. Next comes the letter U. U as in umbrella. U for umbrella, tall and wide, and the uniform, worn with pride. Read the words. Un, up, under. Trace the letter U. Find the pictures that begin with the sound U. Letter V. Now let's meet the letter V. V as in van. V for violin, sing a song, and the vulture, flying along. Read the words. Vegetable, vase, violin. Trace the letter V. Find the pictures that begin with the sound V. Letter W. Let's learn a new letter W. W as in watch. W for watch, tells me the time, and for whale, large and prime. Read the words. Window, water, warm. Trace the letter W slowly. Find the pictures that begin with the sound W.
Letter X. Next comes the letter X. X as in Xmas. X for xylophone, fun to play, and for X-ray, showing your way. Read the words. X-ray, xylophone, Xerox. Trace the letter X carefully.
Find the pictures that begin with the sound X.
Letter Y. Let's learn a new letter Y.
Y as in yacht.
Y for yo-yo, up and down, and for yak, in the town. Now read the words. Yak, yam, Yarn. Trace the letter Y carefully.
Find the pictures that begin with the sound Y.
Letter Z. Next comes the letter Z. Z as in zip. Z for zebra. Stripes so neat. And for the zoo, where animals meet. Read the words. Zinnia. Zebra. Zoo. Trace the letter Z slowly and neatly.
Find the pictures that begin with the sound Z. Thank you.